In this video, we will be conducting chi-square tests using SPSS. When conducting a chi-square test, it's important to remember that we are comparing two variables, one independent variable and one dependent variable. Both variables should be categorical, meaning they are either ordinal or nominal data. Each variable can have two or more groups associated with them. For our example, we'll be comparing gender and ethnicity. Gender and ethnicity are categorical variables. If you examine the data further, you can see that we have set them as nominal data. Click Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and Crosstabs. SPSS uses crosstabs to conduct chi-square tests. For our example, we will put gender in the columns, and ethnicity in the rows. Select Statistics and select chi-square. Continue. In cells, select Expected row under percentages, column, and total, and select Continue. Select OK. To see if we have a significant difference with gender comparing different ethnic groups, click in the left column under chi-square tests. And as you can see, the Pearson chi-square test is significant because it is 0.05 or lower, and in this case, it's 0.037. To determine which ones particularly are significant, you must sort of eyeball or look through the data for yourself and look at the scores, comparing the count and expected count. Count are the actual numbers in the data. The expected count is what the tests expected to see in these counts. If they are largely far apart, those numbers you can say are different. In this case, the count in this section is females 1 and males 5. The expected counts were 3 each. That is somewhat of a difference, but maybe not enough of a difference. Here I see for American, those who selected as American, the count was 16 for females and 6 for males. Here you can see that the expected count was actually much higher than what actually the outcome showed. So I can say there is a significant difference here. Asian, there doesn't seem to be a large difference, and neither is Black or Cambodian or Chinese and as you go through, you can take a look at those numbers that seem to be far different from each other. So, if you look at the data, those numbers at the top, and perhaps numbers such as these, where it says the count for white, here you can see there's almost a 30 number difference, as well as here. So you might be able to say those are significantly different as well. And that's how you perform a chi-square test using SPSS.